Good morning one and all. Welcome back to Allam's Academy. So I am Shravan Kumar, MSc BEd. Today onwards we starting 10th class mathematics. So in this the first chapter real numbers. If we taken a number 364, now it will be dividing with 5. Now 5, so 5 7 ja 35, so the remainder is 1, so 14, 5 2 ja 10, so here the remaining one is 4, so 5 does not divide 4, so now this 4 is remainder, and the 72 is quotient, and the 5 is divisor, and 364 is dividend. So we already studied these were in our previous classes. So from here we conclude that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So if we taken the dividend with a letter A, divisor with B, and quotient with Q, and the remainder with R, so A equal to PQ plus R. Now this principle is given by the mathematician Euclid. The Euclid given this principle A equal to BQ plus R, and this principle was written his book The Elements. So after Bible the most selling book, and in the maths the highest selling book is The Elements. In the book The Elements chapter 7th, this principle is written, so it is called Euclid's division lemma. By using this Euclid's division lemma we saw some problems. The Euclid division lemma: given positive integers a and b, there exists a unique pair of whole numbers q and r satisfying a equal to bq plus r. So here already we said that r is remainder, so the remainder value is lies between 0 and b, so 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Okay, now here given some problems, that problems to be solving. So find q and r for the following pair of positive integers a and b satisfying a equal to bq plus r. So for that problem we solving. So a equal to 13, b equal to 3 given. So we already know the principle is a equal to bq plus r. So now a is 13 is equal to b is 3. So 3 which ja? So 3 4s are 12, and here the remainder is 1, so plus 1. So now here the q and r values find ask. So the q is nothing but 4, and the remainder r is 1. Okay, similarly in the second problem, a equal to 80, b equal to 8 given. So 80 equal to b, 8 into 8 which ja? 8 10 ja 80. So here the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. So here q equal to 10 and the remainder r is equal to 0. For the third problem they are given a equal to 125 and the b equal to 5. So a equal to bq plus r model we writing 125a equal to b 5 into 5 which is 125, 525 is 125, so their remainder is 0, so plus 0. From this problem q equal to 125 and the remainder r is equal to 0. For the next problem, a equal to 132, b equal to 11. So a equal to bq plus r. So 132 equal to 11 into 11 which is 132, 11 12 is 132. So here the remainder is 0. So for this problem the q is equal to 12 and the remainder r is equal to 0. Okay, so now in this model only we finding HCF of the given numbers. Now we see how to find the HCF of the given numbers by using Euclid division lemma. So find the HCF of the following by using Euclid algorithm. So Euclid algorithm already we studied, that is nothing but a equal to bq plus r. So by using that principle we solve it. So a equal to bq plus r. So now in that given two numbers 50 and 70, which is the highest number? 70. So the 70 will be taking as a. So 70 equal to b equal to, that is 50 into q. 50 which is coming? 50 1 is 50. So here the remainder is 20. The remainder is 20. So now here what we do, up to remainder coming 0 time we want to solve this problem, then only we find the HCF of the given numbers. So for that process what we want to do means, what is the b value? Now the b value will be taken as a value. So the b value is here 50. So the 50 will be taken as a, 50 equal to, and here what is the remainder? The remainder is 20. Now the 20 remainder will be taking as b. So 20 50 equal to, now this 50 equal to 20. Now these numbers is also again write in the form of a equal to bq plus r. So 50 equal to 20 which is 20, 2 is 40. So 22 is 40. So 50 minus 40 equal to 10. So the remainder is 10. Now here also we not get the remainder 0. So again we want to do this process. So for this already we said the b value will be taking as a. So the 20 will be taking as a, 20 equal to, now the remainder r will be taking as b. So 10. So 20 equal to 10, 2 is 20, and now the here the remainder is 0. So now we get the remainder 0. So when we get the remainder 0, then in b place what value is there? That value is called HCF. So here the remainder 0 coming to, the b value is 10. So HCF of 50 and 70 is 10. Okay, so this one we already studied in our previous classes. So if we observe the division method of HCF, so here 70 is dividing with 50. So 50 1 is 50. So the remainder is 20. 50 does not divide 20. So we will divide 20 with 50. In division form finding HCF we studied in our earlier classes. In this process we finding. Now 20 which is 22 ja 40. So here the remainder is 10. Now 20 does not divide 10, so 10 will be taking as divisor. Now 22 dividing 10 which ja 10 2 ja 20. Now we get the remainder 0. So now we written the same form only here. So 70 is equal to 50 into 1 plus 20. That is the first step. Now the second step, 50 equal to 20 into 2 plus 10. That is here the second step. 50 equal to 22 ja plus 10, and the third step, 20 equal to 10 2 ja plus 0. So that is the third step we written. 20 equal to 10 2 ja plus 0. Now here we get the b plus 10, remainder 0 coming purpose. So now here HCF is 10. Okay, so in this same model we seeing the remaining problems. Now here if we observe 96 and 72, here 96 is the greatest number, so A value will be taking as 96 and the B value will be taking as 72. So now we want to write A equal to BQ plus R. Now 96 equal to 72. So 72 one job only it will be going. Now the remainder is 96 minus 72 equal to, that is nothing but 24. Here we not get the remainder 0. So again this B value will be taking as A. 72 equal to, now the remainder R will be taking as B, 24. So 72 equal to 24, which is coming 24 3 is 72. So 24 into 3 plus 24 3 is 72. That purpose 72 minus 72 equal to 0. So here we get the remainder 0 at the place of B equal to 24. So HCF of 96 and 72 is 24. Okay, now we seeing the third problem, 196 and 38,220. Now here we already said the highest number will be taking as A. So in 196 and 38,220, the highest number is 38,220. So now that will be taking as A equal to 38,220 and B equal to 196. So now we are writing A equal to BQ plus R in this form. So 38,220 equal to 196 into, so 196 which is 38,220 coming 195 ja. So here 195 ja 38,220. So the remainder is 0. So yet one step only it will be completed. Now here B plus, what is the value there? 196. So HCF of 196 and 38,220 is 196. Now we see the another problem, 902.70. Now in this the greatest number is 900, so that will be taking as A, and the smallest number 270 will be taking as B. So A equal to 900 and B equal to 270. Now here we want to write in A equal to PQ plus R form. So 900 equal to 270. So 270 which is 900 coming, 900 270 table to not coming, but their nearest 273 ja is 810. So 810 subtracting from 900 means we get the remainder 90. Now here we not get the remainder 0. So now the B value 270 will be taking as A. So 270 equal to, now the remainder R will be taking as D, 90. So 90 which is 270 coming, 93 is 270. So 93 is 270. So here we get the remainder 0. So here we get the remainder 0 10. The B value is nothing but 90. So this 90 is the HCF of the given numbers. So HCF of 900 and 270 is 90. Okay. So in this process we will finding the HCF of the given numbers. So now if we observe here the R value is 0, then what happens to this Euclid's division lemma? Now we observe. So if A equal to BQ plus R, in this if R equal to 0, then BQ plus 0, BQ plus 0, that is nothing but BQ. So now a number is written by the product of two numbers. So now the two numbers B and Q are called factors of the given number A. B and Q are factors of the given number A. So here given a problem, use Euclid division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. So here that is given by using division algorithm. Division algorithm means that is nothing but Euclid division lemma. So the Euclid division lemma is A equal to BQ plus R, and here we know that the remainder value is lies between 0 less than or equal to R less than B. So now here our to given the A value is like 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. That means let we taking the B value will be as 6. B value will be taking as 6. Q value is a by integer given, so Q value will be taking as Q, and here we know that the remainder R is lies between 0 less than or equal to R less than B. So we will take the R value is lies between 0 less than or equal to R less than B value. B value is nothing but 6. So here the remainder may be what happen, remainder may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Why? Because here 0 less than or equal to given, so the remainder 0 also taking a chance, and less than 6 only given, so up to 5 only we taking. Now so these by using this 6q and remainder 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now in this form A equal to we writing, so the number is in the form of 6q plus 0, 6q plus remainder 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4 or 6q plus 5. Okay, so any number adding with 0 we get that number only, we already know. So 6q plus 0 means that is nothing but 6q. So 6 cube, 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 4, 6 cube plus 5. So now if we observe the problem, they are given to show that any positive odd integer given. So odd integer is in the form given. So here we observed the odd integers in the remainders which place coming. So 6 cube means here the remainder is 0. So the remainder 0 means it is even number. So here plus 1 remainder k. So it is nothing but odd number. So 6 cube plus 2 means the remainder 2 is even number. 6 cube plus 3, so it is odd integer. 6 cube plus 4, the remainder 4 is even. 6 cube plus 5, now the remainder 5 is odd number. So here the number any positive integer is odd in the form of 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Why? Because at these places only we get the remainders as odd numbers. In this model we solve the problem. Okay, now we see another problem. Use division algorithm to show that the square of an integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So the Euclid division algorithm is a equal to pq plus r, and here the remainder 0 less than or less than b. So now we feeling let b is equal to, the question is in the form 3p plus 1. So b equal to 3 taking and q equal to q only taking, and the remainder 0 less than or less than, here b value is 3. So the remainders may be 0, 1 and 2. So now the number is in the form of 3q plus 0, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. So 3q plus 0 nothing but 3q, and 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2, and here given square of an integer. So these were to square to you. So first one 3q whole square. 3q whole square means it will be written as 3 square into q square. Why? Because we already studied in exponents chapter, ab whole power m equal to a power m into b power m. So now here 3 square into q square to 3 into 3 writing into q square. Now we feeling let 3q square equal to p. Now it will be written as 3 into 3q square is nothing but p. So 3 into p. Now 3q plus 1 whole square. So now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a is 3q, b is 1. So now we will write this one 3q whole square plus 2 into 3q into 1 plus b square 1 square. So 3q whole square equal to 9q square. 3 into 2q into 1, that is 6q plus 1 square means 1. Now in this both we will take 3 as common. So 3 is 9 into q square, and 3 2 is 6q plus 1. Now we fill 3q square plus 2q is equal to p. Now here this will be written as 3p plus 1. So 3q plus 1 whole square is written in the form of 3p plus 1. Same in this model, 3q plus 2 whole square, seeing 3q plus 2 whole square. Now already we said it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a equal to 3q. So 3q whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 3q into b is 2 plus b square 2 square. So now 3q square equal to 9q whole square. So 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12q plus 2 square equal to 4. Now here 4 will be written as 3 plus 1. Now in this all numbers 3 will be taking as common. 3 into 3q square plus 3 4 ja 12 plus 3 1 ja 3 plus 1. Now we fill 3q square plus 4q plus 1 is equal to p. Now it is 3p plus 1. So 3q plus 2 whole square is written in the form of 3p plus 1. So now we observed here the first one, 3q whole square is square form is written in the form of 3p, and 3q plus 1 whole square is written in the form of 3p plus 1. 3q plus 2 whole square is written in the form of 3p plus 1. So we can conclude that square of any positive integer is written in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. Why? Because here 3p plus 2 whole square also doing, we get 3p plus 1. Okay. Now we see the another problem. Here the another problem is, show that one and only one out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is a positive integer. So here we also taking the Euclid division lemma. So the Euclid division lemma a equal to bq plus r and 0 less than r less than b. Now we fill, let b equal to, here b value divisible by 3 taken, so the b value is 3 taking and q value is q taking, then the remainder is lies between 0 less than r less than 3. So the remainders are 0, 1 and 2, and here given that is n plus 2, n plus 4. So now we will taking the product of bq is nothing but n. The product of bq is nothing but n. That means 3 into q is nothing but n. So now the number is written in the form of, so n 3q plus n taken, so n plus 0, n plus 1 or n plus 2. So n plus 0 means that is nothing but n, and n plus 1 or n plus 2. Now if we divide a number with 3, what are the remainders coming? Once we observe it, so from 4 onwards we taking 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so many we can take. So now if we 3 also taking. Now if divide a number with 3, we get the remainder 0. 3 with 3, we get the remainder 0. If 4 to we divide, we get the remainder 1. If 5 to we divide, we get the remainder 2. 6 to divide, we get the remainder 0. If 7 to we divide, we get the remainder 1. 8 to divide, we get the remainder 3. 9 to divide, we get the remainder 0. 10 to divide, we get the remainder 1. So 3 3s are 9, so we get the remainder 1. So in this process, if we observe, a number divides with 3, we get the remainders only 0 1 2. So here the remainders 0 1 2 only coming. So here now if we observe, so it is the remainder 0, it is the first remainder, second remainder, third remainder, fourth remainder. So the fourth remainder and the first remainder both will be same answers came. So now in the place of 1, in the place of it is nothing but 4. So n plus 1 place n plus 4 written, there is not any problem. So we get the same remainders yet n plus 1 and n plus 4. Why? Because this one taken means we want to show the answer is in the form of n, n plus 2, n plus 4. So n plus 1 is not presented. So the n plus 1 place, now we taken n plus 4. So finally we concluded that the number is in the form of n, n plus 1 or n plus 4. Okay, thank you.